Is it crazy to think that the easy way to tell stories is to tell personal stories? I'm coaching a guy yesterday and we're working on a little just random topics, and confidence comes up, and he starts to talk and is wandering a little bit, and then he jumps into remembering and retelling, reliving a story of being at a pitching contest. And he's feeling extremely nervous, and he's looking at all these other people, and they seem to have it all together. They're totally dialed in. They're confident, beyond confident. So he makes a deal with himself. Okay, I'm going to just play at being confident and do my best. And that's what he does. He's really presenting himself well while he's speaking, he feels like, and he's happy with the performance. Well, he turns out to win the pitching contest. It made it so easy for him to relive that moment, and it was compelling, it was engaging, it was deep. While he was telling it, it grabbed all of us so much because it was him reliving the moment and feeling it in this moment, and we could feel it as well. The easy way to tell stories is to tell a personal story, and conservatively, you only have about 1 million of them. So what are they? What are the personal stories that you could tell?